Let me guess. You're studying every day. You're putting in the hours. Your desk is a mess, your brain is fried, and yet your results aren't changing. And you start thinking, maybe I'm just not smart enough. Maybe other people just learn faster. No, you're not the problem. The way you study is the problem. Today, I'm going to show you how to stop studying hard and start studying right. And once this clicks, school becomes way easier than you think. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most students aren't failing because they're lazy. They're failing because they're studying in the wrong direction. You can spend 4 hours reading the same chapter over and over, or 20 minutes actively testing yourself and get better results. You can take notes until your hand cramps, but still forget everything the moment the exam starts. Working harder feels productive. It makes you feel like you're doing something, but only the right kind of work actually sticks. And that's where everything changes, because in the next few moments, you're about to understand why your current method is failing. Think about this. Your brain is not designed to memorize something just because you looked at it for a long time. That's why rereading, highlighting, or copying notes feels good but teaches nothing. It's like watching someone work out and thinking you got stronger too. Your brain learns when it struggles, when it reaches, when it tries to remember something. This is active recall, and it's the opposite of study harder. If studying feels passive, easy, or mindless, you're wasting time. And if it feels slightly uncomfortable, challenging, and mentally heavy, that's actually the good stuff. So here's your new rule. If you didn't test yourself, you didn't study. Close the book. Turn the page over. Hide your notes. Try to explain the topic in your own words. Make a quick quiz for yourself. Teach it to your wall. Say it out loud like you're recording a TikTok explainer. It doesn't matter how you do it. What matters is that your brain is pulling information out, not pushing it in. And here's the crazy part. You can cut your study time in half by doing this, because memorizing becomes a natural side effect of struggling productively. Most students study like this. Procrastinate, panic, study 5 hours straight, forget everything the next day. Instead, try this. 25 minutes of focus, 5 minutes of rest, repeat a few times. That's it. Short, intense sessions beat long, painful ones. Your brain learns best in bursts. Picture it like the gym. You don't do 1 rep for 5 hours, you do sets. Study the same way. And this next part is the secret top students never tell you. Almost nobody talks about this. But the way you study the day after you learn, something matters way more than the day you learned it. Your memory drops fast in the first 24 hours. So the trick is simple. Review the topic the next day, even for 5 minutes. That tiny review locks it into your long-term memory. Day 1, learn it. Day 2, relearn it. Day 7, quick check-in. This wipes out almost all forgetting. Stop studying the same thing 10 times because you forgot it. Study it twice, strategically. And fix your environment. You don't need a fancy setup or aesthetic notes. You just need less noise. Put your phone in another room, not on your desk, not face down, not on silent. Physically remove it. Your space should say one thing. It's time to focus. Clean desk. 1 notebook, 1 task. Your brain can't focus when your desk looks like your browser tabs. Make your space simple and your mind becomes sharper. Finally, study for skill, not memory. Most students study to memorize. Top students study to understand. Instead of asking, how do I remember this? Ask, why does this matter? What's the big idea? How does this connect to what I already know? When you understand something deeply, you don't have to force it into your head. It stays on its own. This is how you study, right? Not harder, smarter. Look, you don't need to become a genius overnight. You don't need a perfect routine. You just need to shift your approach. If studying feels painful and chaotic right now, it's not your fault. Nobody teaches you how to learn. They just expect you to figure it out. But today you learned the truth. Study less and recall more. Short, focused sessions beat long ones. Day after review locks in memory. A clean environment fixes half your focus. And understanding always wins over memorizing. If you actually apply this, your grades will change. Your confidence will change. Your entire relationship with studying will change. So try one thing tonight, just one. Test yourself instead of rereading, and watch the difference. If you want more videos like this, hit subscribe and let's level up your life. One smart habit at a time. We're in this together.